will not take more than 10 seconds even. The correct answer is option number B. If all of you have attended my lectures, then it won't take too much of time. Okay. As we all know that with the addition of every one number, I'm just going to write here that it's a sequence. Now, first of all, you should remember one thing: there are a lot of ways to attempt such type of equations. Even if you do not know maths at all, this can be solved. Okay? Because it says consider a sequence of 7 consecutive numbers, and the average of the first 5 is n, the average of all the 7 integers, and everything is in terms of n. Yes or no? Everything is in terms of n except one of the options. So if the result is true, it must be true for all the values of n. Yes or no? If the result is true, it must be true for all the. If nothing strikes in your mind, we can simply take any 7 consecutive numbers. Let's take, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 consecutive integers. What is the average? Average of these 5 numbers is nothing, but can I say average is equal to 3, the middle term? And then I need to find out what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The average of the first 7 terms is equal to 3.5, the middle term. Okay, sorry, that will be not 3.5, but rather 4. It will be always the middle term. If like this one, this is here the middle term. If the number of terms are off and they are in a proper sequence, so 4. So it has been increased by 1. So that way you can say, sorry, option number B. That is one of the way. Okay. I just take the help of the option. And you should also keep all these things, whatever we are discussing, how to solve with the help of the options. But the actual way is that in a group of every consecutive number, with the addition of every one number, the average always increases by 0.5. For example, there are 2 numbers, 1, 2. Average is 1.5. Okay, here the average is 1.5. So if I say 1, 2, 3, the average of these numbers is 2. Then if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, the average is the middle point, that is equal to 2.5. So you can see with the addition of every one new number, take a consecutive number, the average changes by 0.5. Okay. So if the average of first 5 is n, then the average of all the 7 is n plus 1. So the answer is simply n plus 1. Any doubt? Yeah. We have discussed this concept in the class, but yes, since the option is there, so you should also know how to use the options.